If you have WhatsApp installed on your phone right now, I want to open you to a business that you can start online and you can make tons of money for yourself every other month by just reselling virtual phone number for people to verify their online service like PayPal, Fiverr, Amazon, WhatsApp, Telegram, any of these social media or any of these online platform. I'm going to show you how you can turn this to a business by helping people to get verification phone number to verify all of this service, right? But before I break this down to you and explain how you are going to do this, I even make the tons of money that I mentioned earlier, I'm going to expose you to how this works and how I've been able to put it into action and how I've been able to scale with it, right? Now, the very first thing I want you to understand, we are living in a country where almost online service is banned. And most of the time, we always want to trick ourselves and put ourselves in the top tier countries so we can get some jobs or even do some stuff personally that we are not eligible to do right here in Nigeria, right? Now, this is like a black hat and also is going to give you your own personal freedom. At the same time, I'm going to use it as an example of a side income also that you can leverage on right now, and it's going to make you anywhere between 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira in a single month without starting out with any investment or maybe with little investments. When I'm talking about little investment, I'm talking like 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira. That even depends on you if you want to put that money as a start. But if you don't have any money at all, but you just have the WhatsApp installed on your smartphone, I want you to watch this video from now to the very end so you can learn the step-by-step process on how you are going to set up this business model for yourself and make the money that is required for yourself, right? Now, when I started online in 2018, that time the online space is not that crowded, but though it's crowded already, but not like today. Like, we can still use almost every service right here from Nigeria and we can get everything done. But as of today age in the online space, most of these things we want to trick ourselves to put ourselves in the top tier countries to get some valuable results that we using our local location, right? And the one of the things that is very, very challenging is how to get virtual phone number or even phone number at all to verify online services like Fiverr. Especially almost everybody now open Fiverr accounts in the top countries, but they always still struggle to get phone number, right, to verify their account. And this is even me sometimes ago, because I open accounts even so far that I still use some service to get a virtual phone number to verify my account. I still don't get the codes even after they've deducted the money from my accounts, right? Now, I'm going to expose you to a particular website that's going to give you this freedom and also even help you build the business. I'm going to explain the business model now as I showed you how you are going to get your own freedom. Now, this website is called Zero SMS and is very trusted platform that you can get any forms of number. Even you can even write eSIM for up to 3 months and you can use it for anything of your choice on the internet, right? Now, I'm going to go over to the website right now and show you how you can sign up, how you can fund your account, and I'm going to explain the business model to you and how you can scale it up to like 50 to 100,000 naira every other month. And even I'm going to give you resources that's going to help you make this happen in a short period of time, even if you start today, right? Now, let's jump on screen and I show you how this works. Now, coming over to zerosms.com, and if you want a direct link, it's will be in the description below. You can just click on that and you are going to click on sign up right here. Once you click on sign up, you are going to put in your full name, your email address, your password, and you confirm your password. And once that is done, we are going to log into your account, or I can just show you the sign up process right here. So as you can see, I just fill in my details and I'm just going to agree to the terms and conditions. Then I'm going to sign up. So once I hit that sign up button, it's going to take me to this page. They are going to send an OTP to your email address and you are going to just verify your account. So once you verify your account, this is what your dashboard will look like. And all you need to do right here is to fund your account. This is where I said if you want to start out with a little fund, you can see I have $30 in my balance and this just left to me if I want to start with fund of my own and if I don't want to start with any fund of my own, right? Now, this is how you are going to get every verification service that you need, right? You are going to click on SMS service and you are going to select all of these services that you want to verify. You can see everything right here. No matter the website that you want to verify, you will virtually find it right here listed. And once, let me just click on random on DHL and you can see the country that is available. You can see the country that is available. So let's try Fiverr. You can see right here, we have Fiverr. And we have all of this country available for Fiverr verification. And now you can see right here, this is United States. As we want to verify our Fiverr account in United States, you can see it right here. This is 100% success rate, and this one is 65. And you can see this is like the highest and the lowest. So you can just click on purchase right here. And once you click on purchase, you are going to click on yes. And in a few seconds, it's going to load up. We are going to click OK, and you can see right here, if I click on view, we are going to see the phone number right here. This is the phone number. This is the phone number that you are going to use to verify your Fiverr account. And if this doesn't drop the code for you, you can just click on refund right here, and they are going to refund that immediately. And this is because my time is still counting, and once this expire, I can just click on refund and I can get that refund almost immediately back to my balance. And it's just something simple to do, and it's something easy to do. Now let's talk about the side hustle, where I'm going to show you how you are going to use this platform to make money for yourself. Now, have you ever imagined you starting out on WhatsApp and started getting people to help them verify their online platforms, and you charge them a little amount for that, right? Now, this is something I've showed recently to my community people, and if you're not in my community, you can just click on the very first link in the description below to join my WhatsApp community, and we can get to talk more, even share updates before I get to shoot the video right here on YouTube, right? Now, this is something I've showed in my community, and they have been using to make money, and even some are using it for their personal use, and I know some that are using it as a business. Now, you know you are going to get a Fiverr verification phone number here for less than this, like 500 naira. Let's just put it like 500 naira. And how about you started selling a Fiverr verification phone number for just 1000 naira? How about that? Just one-time code. And if they pay you that 1000 naira, all you need to do is to come over to this website, and you can just come right here to add the balance. Then you put in, like, let's say $2, you add balance. And because $2 is the minimum to fund on this account, and you can see right here, it's going to load you up to where you are going to pay. And this is like, okay, so it's going to take you to a page right here where you are going to complete the payments. You can even pay with bank transfer, USSD, bank, and even your card, right? So you are going to pay 3,339 naira to get $2 that you can use like 4 or 5 times to verify phone number for Fiverr. And imagine you are charging 1,000 naira for each verification. That's like 5,000 naira, and you are like 1,700 naira profits without anything. And just imagine you are helping like maybe 10 people a day to verify this. That's you like making like 3,000, over 3,000 naira every day. In 10 days, you are making like 30,000 naira. And that's for Fiverr alone. Let's talk about other stuff like WhatsApp, and Telegram, Instagram, Google. And let me show you the possibility on that too. So if I go back to my dashboard right here, I'm going to click on SMS verification, SMS service right here. So here I'm going to select WhatsApp, and I'm going to select USA. And you can see right here, US WhatsApp is going for like $3.90, and you can just charge someone like 6,000 naira or even 7,000 naira to get a working US WhatsApp number, right? And it's going to be something that you can do for yourself, right? All you need to do is to collect the money from the person, take it over to this website, fund your account, and then you can just get the number, give it to the person, get the code for them, and you are good to go. That's how you automate this business. You don't need to use your own investment. You don't need to use your own money to get this done, right? It's just something simple. It's a P2P end. You collect the money, you pay it to this website, you get the number, we give it to them, and you are good with your profits. So this is not like you putting all the money here and you just wait for this website to pay you your own commission. You do everything by yourself and you have your own commission. How you are going to scale this business up, or how are you going to get people to start out this business model with, I'm going to expose that secret to you. And you want to start this side also today, comment WhatsApp also in the comment section, and I'm going to send you the resources I've prepared from the WhatsApp text to be posted on your WhatsApp stores, how you are going to get people from Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and how you are going to reach out to people, how you are going to scale this up to a real business, that you are going to turn your WhatsApp to a WhatsApp TV where you sell every phone number verification. And even most times you can even use this website to set up UK TikTok accounts, and you can now set the accounts as minimum of 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira. And very soon on this channel, I'm going to walk you through how you are going to set up a TikTok account in other countries, right? And you can use this particular website to verify the account, and you can now sell the TikTok account to people that want to start online, or even anybody that's looking out to get a TikTok account in UK or maybe other countries that I'm going to explain in the forthcoming videos. Right now, I want you to go out there right now, and I want you to start joining WhatsApp community or WhatsApp group, even Facebook groups that's talking about Fiverr, or maybe people that are struggling with their verification, where they talk about verification, Amazon verification, all of those things. You are going to join these groups and you started listing out your service, drop a message to them like, okay, if you're having issue verifying your WhatsApp phone number, or you need US international phone number for your WhatsApp, for your PayPal, for your Telegram, for your YouTube, for your Google, or any other service online, you can send me a DM and I'm going to get you this virtual phone number to use at any point in time to make money for your to verify your account while you keep the money to yourself, right? It's just something easy. And even if at all you are dealing with people that want to withdraw on Fiverr that require like 3 days or 4 days to hold a number to receive multiple codes, this website still offers the same service. All you need to do is to come over to rent a number and you are going to choose the country that you want to rent the number. We can see United States right here. Then you search the service that you want to hold the number for. Maybe it's Fiverr, for example. You are going to click on this and you can see for 1 week you are going to purchase it for like $6.44, and you can even calculate this in Naira, or you click on purchase, or you go to the funding to see how much this is equivalent to in Naira. Then you can hold it, right? So once you hold it and you are going to charge the person like maybe 10,000 Naira or even more, I'm just saying, I'm not sure of this conversion rates, so you can just charge the person like a little higher to gain your own commission for yourself. And with this, you can likely to earn between 5,000 Naira to 10,000 Naira every single day if you put every this into action. How are you going to grow your WhatsApp community to start getting people? That's what I just explained. You join your WhatsApp community, WhatsApp groups, you start posting, keep your visibility on. You join Facebook groups about what you want to be verifying. This side also is not limited to Nigerians only. Even people in other African countries, even people in other Asia countries want this service. And it's something you can put out right there. I keep doing every other day to get a particular result for yourself, right? So let me know in the comment section if you want to start this side also today. Just drop WhatsApp also and I'm going to send you every of the resources I'm going to be using, because me too, I'm starting this business and I'm going to be using to market this and even get the tons of results I mentioned. I'm going to forward it to you so we can brainstorm it, scale it up together, and we are good to go, right? Now, before we go, I want you to subscribe to this channel for more full updates and side hustle and how you can build your online income presence in the online space, right? So subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend. Let's all make money together, and with that we can even do more for ourselves in the online space. And if that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video where we talk about another thing. And before then, right, stay at peace, and I will see you in the next one.